In this video lecture, I'm going to prove that 1 equal to 2. So let's see. So first here, I'm going to assume A equal to B. Thereafter, A multiply on the both side. So here, A into A, this is now AB. So here, it come A square equal to AB. Now thereafter, B minus B, that I'm going to subtract on the both side. So here A square minus B square and AB minus B square. So this cancel, there is no any effect. Now after that, here we have the formula about A square minus B square, that is A plus B, A minus B. So we can write A plus B, A minus B, and here B is the common, so A minus B. Now thereafter this term cancel. Here you can get A plus B equal to B. Now since here on the first, let assume this is equation 1. So A equal to B. So in B place or A place we can write A. So here A plus A, and here this is A from equation 1. So from equation 1 equal to A equal to B. So B place, that I put A, and B place A. This is now A plus A, that is 2A, and here A. A cancel on the one time, so here 2 equal to 1. So it's proved. So here we need to assume A equal to B. After doing some calculation, here you can get 2 equal to 1 or 1 equal to 2. Next, let's see another way. So this way, I'm going to here assume 1 equal to 1. Obviously 1 equal to 1. Now thereafter subtracting 1 with both sides. So 1 minus 1, and here 1 minus 1. Now next is, if I put here A square, and here 1 A square, that is equal to 1, so there is no any effect. Now use A plus B, A minus B formula. So 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. Thereafter here dividing 1 minus 1 with each side. So 1 minus 1, and here 1 plus 1, divided by 1 minus 1. Now here it cancel because it has the same one time, and it cancel because it has the same. Here you can get 1 plus 1, this left. Now here 1 equal to 1 plus 1, that is true. So here this is we need to prove that. Here it's proved. So here this method, I assume 1 equal to 1, subtracting 1 with each side. Here if I do the squaring, there is no any effect, and here I use A square minus B square formula, that is A plus B, A minus B. Thereafter divide 1 minus 1 with each side, and after doing the calculation 1 equal to 1 plus 2, it's a proof. So this is the two way we can prove this question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.